Hello friends, day 78, and I left the Crask Inn this morning with some trepidation because Sean had been warning the cyclists that the path was very boggy and that they shouldn't cycle it. And I have to say, it's probably one of the best paths I've been on for a week, quite well defined. There was some bogginess, but not that much. A few dodgy bridges, which I'll show you in a short while. But apart from that, very good path. All apart from one section where I stuck to my route, but I should have taken the new path because my route was eventually blocked by a new plantation and I ended up having to climb all the way up a hill to get round the fence of the plantation. So that slowed me down for a few miles, but got there in the end. Been a good day. See you on the trail. Even by Scottish standards, I don't think you'd say Crask was a big village. Inn and one house. I did have a go at this bridge, but I decided to be safe rather than sorry and forded the stream instead. As usual today, I didn't see anybody at all. However, I did see lots of footprints. They were all deer footprints, no human footprint at all during today. Normally this cotton grass is a bit of a no camping flag, but tonight, fortunately, the ground is pretty good here, and I do have another room with a view. Look at that. And my tent has been repaired and hopefully will remain waterproof.